What are the best ways in order to make 10K per month by the end of the year? Bro, you're on a stream with, I'm talking about Etsy dropshipping, G. Etsy dropshipping. Thing is, when Q4 hits, so Q4 is the last 3 months of the year, October, November, December. So in November, we've obviously got Black Friday towards the end of the month. And we've also got December, right? Christmas. So even October as well. October, people buy a lot of presents early for Christmas as well. People are searching. People are searching now for Christmas presents. I don't get it, but people are. Like, I buy my presents 3 days before Christmas. Like, I'm thinking about it now. Like, I know I need to buy this present, but I haven't fucking done it. It was my parents' birthday, like, months ago, and I'm buying their present literally in, like, 2 days' time. But anyways, my point is, Etsy dropshipping, 100% the best way to do it. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.